Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a short breakdown of what we'll be creating this month. And let me isolate the mesh first. That's going to be a stretched spherical sphere with the opacity mask and wall position offset texture. We're going to add some flame and smoke textures to it. We're going to add some sparks and details. And finally, we're going to look into ribbons and we're going to add some fiery and smoke ribbons to it. So that's in Unreal Engine. In Unity, we've got a similar deal. We're gonna replicate what we have in Unreal Engine, create some trails and all the textures and shaders as well. And as usual, we're doing this everything from scratch. The tutorials on how to create those textures and meshes should be available on YouTube when the tutorial is gonna be released. And if you'd like to learn how to create those sort of projectiles, you can head to mafx.com and subscribe to any tier. You're gonna have access to a massive library of tutorials, including this one. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. There is a bunch of tricks that we're gonna do in Substance as well for the texture creation, and then we're just gonna dive into materials, shaders, and particle system or Niagara in Unreal Engine.